Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make real fudge full guide. Preheat a heavy saucepan and line an 8x8 pan with parchment. Chop chocolate into uniform pieces and measure sugar, butter, and cream precisely. Warm cream and sugar until sugar dissolves, then bring to a slow boil while stirring. Add chopped chocolate off heat and stir until glossy. Pour into prepared pan and cool until firm before slicing. Start by combining cream, sugar, and butter in a heavy saucepan over medium heat, stirring gently. Watch the mixture closely and use a candy thermometer to hit the soft ball stage between 234 degrees F and 240 degrees F. Reduce heat and remove from burner promptly, then add chocolate and flavorings while stirring until glossy. Let cool to warm before beating for texture, pour into the lined pan, and let set fully at room temperature. If you're enjoying this step-by-step guide, please subscribe and like to support more real dessert recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers, music while you bake, and gentle kitchen lighting cues. I've linked the product and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. For the best flavor, fold in vanilla and a pinch of salt once the mixture has cooled slightly, preserving aroma. If adding nuts or mix-ins, fold them in gently or press them onto the surface before the fudge sets. Beat briefly while warm to develop a creamy, dense texture without overworking. Pour into the prepared pan, tap to remove air bubbles, and let it rest undisturbed until completely set before cutting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.